Hey. Hey. You're a sophomore, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's my second year in the school.
Kenny Barrett's sister.
Yeah. That's good.
Charlie.
It's good to meet you. Chicks don't shake hands. Sorry, that's stupid.
Senior.
Wow. Bet you're pretty excited to graduate, huh?
Are you going to the dance on Friday?
Yeah, I already have a date though, so probably gonna go with that guy.
People are saying that you fucked two guys at Christy Shinnick's party last week.
What?
Did you know that people are saying that?
No! This is the first time I've heard that! What the fuck? It's not true! Why would I have done that?
David Blitzstein said that the second he put it in, you started to cry. Did he hurt you?
No, it didn't happen, so...
Because it's only supposed to hurt the first time. I mean, it's not like I know, but I do, because girls tell me stuff about, well, not just sex, not exactly sex, but,
Look, this is a really, really forward way to meet a girl for the very first time, let alone a sophomore. You're a fucking weirdo.
because I listen.
Except nothing you hear is true about it. I didn't fuck two guys at a party, alright? I've never even had sex.
I mean, you don't have to worry about having sex. Because, like, I mean, they say all the times that having sex or not having sex, and it's all just gotten started or not gotten started. Or,
Okay, look, I'm not...
or it's not very good.
Look, I'm sure it'll be great when it happens, but it's never happened for me, alright? Okay, I'm just a sweet, innocent sophomore, and besides, my brother would be very upset.
I just don't think it's very important.
Yeah, no, it's not.
And people are so wrapped up, you know, about deciding what's important.
Yeah, they are. Can we stop fucking talking about me being nailed?
So people talk about sex a lot, you know, but mostly it's just topical. That's it. Sex is topical.
Yeah, I suppose, like, sports. Can we talk about sports? I love soccer. I'm on the varsity soccer team.
You know, some people are obsessed.
Frankly, I'm starting to think you are one of the obsessed.
No, I don't worry about it.
Look, is this your way of getting me to let you take me to the dance? Is this what you think is going to...
You know, people get concerned about class rank a lot. You know, like who's number 20? Who's right up there next to you at number 19? You know, not like any of that matters, right?
Yeah, I'm a sophomore. I haven't even started. I don't even know what a college is, essentially. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I think it's important to know where you stand, though, right?
I mean, I suppose. Look, all I know right now is that we're in AP biology. I'm just trying to learn. I want to be a phlebotomist.
You know, people are always trying to make the least important things matter the most.
Like a career?
But you know what's important?
Getting fucked.
Doing what you want.
Oh, shit.
And so, like, I like walking around and seeing what I want and knowing what I want. And yeah.
Look. What is it going to take to get you to just never talk to me again? I will do literally anything. Just tell me what it's going to take.
You know, sometimes it feels like I'm looking through life through like one of those cardboard tubes. You know, the ones that hold paper towels?
Yeah. Like a kaleidoscope?
No. But like, I know that what I want to do right now is stand here and talk to you.
Flattering.
And, you know, I'm getting what I want. already.
Yeah, it's fucking swell.
And it's pretty early.
How's it going there, Jeff?
Fine. Haven't sold anything yet, but think it's gonna happen. Think it's gonna happen.
Any problems tonight?
Well, you know, I told you that this might not be the best spot for a pop-up, you know, for vintage clothes. You know, we are just outside of DMV, so I'm not quite sure we're in the right market. But yeah, I'm gonna try to sell. I'm gonna try to sell.
You want to tell me what the police were doing here?
Yeah, they came by and they're like, hey, why are you trying to sell stuff outside of this DMV? I had to cry a little bit, but I got them to let us stay.
That was the police coming out of the building, wasn't it?
It was, and I took care of them, and I'm just making sure this isn't going to compromise my $8 an hour, right? Because I feel like I went above and beyond.
Do you want to tell me what he was doing here?
Jeff, let's rein it back in, okay? I know that you own all these beautiful vintage clothes, and I'm just trying to sell them for a few bucks an hour, but we are outside of DMV, so people are going to ask questions.
On
okay?
you!
On me?
A social call.
Oh no, I did ask people to come here today and they wouldn't be seen here. Okay, so I did ask, but
Can I see your book?
yeah, I mean, I told you I didn't sell anything yet, so it's just a bunch of bullets, like hopeful bullets, for stuff we're gonna sell, but, yep.
Ooh. Bill?
Bill?
Is this why you didn't write it down?
Hold on, let me, okay, I'm reusing this notebook, it's also like my doodle book, so, you know, actually, why don't you just keep that first page
You
and
know
that.
you are supposed to write it down, right?
If it happens, I'm gonna write it down, man. Okay? Honestly, I'm like trying not to lose my cool because I need that money, but woo, dude.
But you know that when the police come to the premises, you're supposed to make an entry. That's what the special remarks is for, right there.
Look, there's no like W-2, no benefits of this job. Obviously, there's no handbook. There's no like how you deal with the police selling some weird vintage clothes.
Then why didn't you write it down? Why didn't you make an entry in the sign-in sheet?
You know what? Let's just keep this simple, Jack. From now on, I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna write it all down. Okay? Don't worry. I'm gonna write it down, so we don't have to worry. All right?
See, no record in the special remarks, and nobody signed it in the book. No record, no entry.
You know, I know that you're looking at this as just a stepping stone to maybe a larger business, and I gotta say, man, I'm like just 100% honest. I'm not sure you're cut out for it because you're real focused on bookkeeping and entries, but like that's not a full business plan, man. This is not thought out.
Yes.
Thank you for hearing me. Sometimes I feel like you don't hear me.
That's why I signed it.
It's great. You know, since you're dating my sister, I feel like you know, we need to have more of these moments because you know, things ever.
For them.
Yeah, for them. You know, if things ever led to an aisle, part of the family, like, I want us to have an open communication style.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's what you do too.
It is what I do. I'm known for my honesty and my open communication. Oh man, I thought you didn't see me at all.
That's what everybody does. Who works under me?
Well, maybe you're just good at hiring them. I'll give you that.
No, now look. If you stick to the rules, you never have to have a conversation whether or not you were justified not sticking to the rules. You understand?
Right, yeah. I also want to say though, while I'm all about rules, you didn't set me up with any today. Besides like sell the clothes, take the money. So, but when you got them, buddy, I'm gonna get right to it.
Next time the cops come, if it's official business,
I I write it down.
Make a
I write it
special
down.
entry.
I write it down. Yeah.
And if it's a social visit and you do not wish to offend, enter the visit yourself.
Absolutely. Like I said, none of my friends would be caught dead here. But yes, I will do that. But maybe we should like open our body language up and like try to like wave some of these people in. I know they're like very disgruntled and tired because they've just spent like 8 hours in there. But like maybe they just need like this, you know, vintage floral gown to perk them up, right?
Now write it down.
No. Okay. No. People.
Now write it down.
Selling some clothes. I hate myself for having to do this. But hey, I just yeah.
Write it down.
Write it down that I did.
And estimate when he arrived and when he left.
Well, no one actually came within 6 feet of here, but I'll put 3:45. Okay, 3:45. I pitched a floral gown.
It's sloppy.
It's not sloppy.
Oh, it's sloppy.
It's just
sloppy.
the outfit's old. It's a little, you know.
Every time I come in here, you're laughing and telling jokes and putting on the charm.
I feel like that is 100% like great for business.
You're sloppy on the job.
I don't know. We're getting real hot and cold, man. Like I thought we were bonding there for a second. Yeah, that's a
Look at this.
Yeah, that's a D&D
Look
bitch.
at this.
Don't sit on that.
Look at this mess in here.
Yeah.
Look at this shit. You got gum wrappers and plastic bags.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm getting a text from my sister.
Pornographic magazines.
She wants to know how it's going. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. We'll decide later.
This is a disgusting mess.
Yeah, that's why I said don't set up shop outside the TV. No, that's not true. This is going to be a bomb spot. You get so many people every day. And I was like, all right, just make sure that I'm getting paid. Which is something, funny enough, you didn't want to put in writing. So, you know, all about that writing.
I want you to clean this shit up.
No, no,
Tonight.
no.
After you're through with your shift.
This is public property. I'm not going to clean that.
I don't want you cleaning this refuse until you're through with your shift. On your time.
Sure. Yeah. Will you be here for that? Because
No.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna get clean for sure.
Not for long, it's not.
It's definitely. Oh, that's my sister again. Yeah, I don't want to lie to her. I'm known for my honesty, so I'm gonna text her back later and let her know how this has turned out.
Any man who was under my command does not straighten up and fly right. He's gonna get busted, man.
Okay. Does that include you? Because you know, I don't feel like maybe you always fly right. From some of those stories I've heard from my sister, but you know, she loves you or whatever. So I'm gonna keep that in the box for now. Deep inside.
Well, this is a fair warning to all you guys.
Great business. Great business approach. Yeah.
That includes you, Jeff. Now you're a good man, okay? But every time I turn around, you're always telling jokes.
You know, I do.
No, listen.
Oh, okay.
You're.
Whoa.
I just like every time I turn around, I hear you telling one joke after another, and it just makes me question, how serious a person are you?
I'm so serious, but when I'm uncomfortable, I lead with jokes because I don't know what else to do. I'm honest. A joke can be very honest. If I just put out my honesty full force, you might not like to hear it. Mask it with a little step and some jazz hands. Jokes. You know.
Well, I'm glad to hear that, Jeff.
Yeah.
Because if I ever catch you sleeping on the shift, or any one of you, I'm gonna fire your ass on the spot.
Well, I can't sleep standing up, and where do you suppose that I lay down to sleep here?
No, there's a procedure.
I know you have a procedure for when you're trying to keep me hostage, and I know it's not just taking my keys. I'm not an idiot, but I know you're trying to keep me. So, okay, let's play real. Okay. Why'd you lock the front doors and tie my dog out?
At least one more.
At least one more dog. I can't go to the animal shelter again. They're gonna be like, you tied up one dog and now that dog's dying. They're not gonna give me another dog.
You can't get a grade.
On ownership of dogs? Yes, you can. There is a point where they say, you're kind of a failure of an owner.
There are several steps.
Failing as an owner? Yes. Having your roommate tie your dog up is one of the big steps where they're like, maybe not.
Calm down.
This is the 8th time you've tried to lock me in this apartment. I'm scared.
Okay, we don't have to involve your parents.
You won't let me call the police. They're the only people I am allowed to call. You locked my phone unless it's calling my parents.
Brenda,
Yes.
breathe.
You know I have a problem with breathing. That's not helpful.
As I said, I did what I had to do.
Keeping me in here because you're jealous I'm dating your weird fiance is not acceptable.
And tomorrow,
Yes.
when we meet with the chair, I'm sure he'll go into this whole thing.
So I know you call your fiance the chair because of some weird role-playing thing that you're doing, but I don't want to be part of it. Like, you guys do this like weird 50 Shades of Grey thing, and I just want to be 50 Shades of out here. I'm very
Sorry.
Can you at least give me the keys to the handcuffs you tied my dog into? I don't even know how you did it. I'm trying to figure it out.
I'm dating myself.
Have you told your fiance, the chair,
And when
that?
we meet with the chair,
Okay.
I'm sure that he's going to go into how all of this jeopardizes the university.
Yes, the university. Our home. Yes, I will sit. That's good. The university, marriage. That's a way. It is an institution.
The university has nothing to do with acquiring wealth.
Yes, he is a very poor man. I agree. I told you at the first place that you should marry a rich man, but you didn't really listen. The dog is free. The dog is free. Those handcuffs didn't work, man.
Okay, the university is where you go to acquire knowledge.
Yes, knowledge that you should no longer be married.
And I'm sure that the chair
Yes.
tomorrow will go into how plagiarism at its very core jeopardizes the values of a liberal arts education.
So this metaphor's not following anymore. Plagiarism, cheating, maybe, right?
That's what we're talking about.
Okay, cheating. Cheating with yourself. That's great self-love. So when you say that you are in a relationship with yourself and you're plagiarizing cheating, is that in a role-playing sort of way?
That's what I meant.
Okay. So, do you want to walk me through this? Like right now, I'm your roommate. I think that's what I'm here for. I'm trapped here anyway, hostage and all. Show me.
So,
Okay, sit down. This isn't working for me. I'm getting nothing out of
you
this.
told me that you saw what the problem was.
I see what the problem is. I'm trapped in here, like you're trapping everyone. I am glad you're in a relationship.
Okay,
with yourself.
you are blowing this out.
Yes, I am. And you know what?
Brenda,
Yeah.
breathe.
I have a breathing problem. It is a special anxiety disorder where you literally are unable to breathe. It is bad.
Brenda, I feel like you're raising an objection in court.
I am a pre-law student. That is what I am. No role-playing at all. I object.
That's what plagiarism is.
I just took that from legal books and I'm not
It
cheating
doesn't
on
matter
anyone.
where you got it from,
Okay.
whether it was the internet,
Okay.
or whether you're trying to trick me.
That is what I am doing. I am not a pre-law student. I just thought if I pretended I knew the law, you'd set me free because I know the law.
That's not how it works.
I should have seen enough suspense films to know that you wouldn't let me free just for pretending I'm like a legally blonde. I'm an idiot. Haha. Haha. Show me that self-love thing again. I need that to breathe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got it. I'm making eye contact. Do you do this in a mirror normally, like staring at yourself? Okay, yeah.
So what do you see as the problem?
You are the problem. You won't let me go. If this were a mirror, though, would I be saying I'm the problem? Because I am.
Let's all calm down. I'm going to close the door.
You've already closed it! I didn't even know it was open.
That's not what we're here to talk about.
I'm here to talk about it.
Right now, I'm going to put on some calming music.
I don't. Okay. I like Enya.
Well, I think it's calm.
I also think it is calming. I breathe to her sometimes when I can.
Now, before we move on to phase 2,
What is phase 2?
I need to know
Uh-huh.
that you see
Yes.
why you've been called here today.
I've been called here today because I live here and you locked me in. You do this every weekend.
Brenda,
Yes. Yes.
breathe.
I can't! Did you see how hoarse my voice got? That's because I can't breathe.
Brenda, there's no reason to get worked up about this. This is a very normal situation. We're going to talk with the chair.
Your fiance.
Chair. We're going to work everything out.
Okay, that's good. That you're no longer plagiarizing.
Now, here
Yes.
is a handbook on student conduct,
Okay.
in case you need it.
I definitely need to learn how to conduct. Of course, yes, thank you. The first line says, "Let me go, do not hold your roommates hostage." Wow, that's so weird.
It's not what it means.